Hi, my name is Ashley Peace. I'm the buyback surveyor with Perth Kinross Council. The purpose of the buyback scheme is to enable Perth Kinross Council to increase our council housing stock by purchasing former council houses and flats that are now in private ownership. I monitor the local property market for listings of ex-council properties, and owners of ex-council houses and flats also make contact with us when they wish to sell their property. Where there is sufficient waiting list demand for these properties, I will carry out a brief survey to enable the council to make an informed decision on whether or not to make an offer to purchase. Besides waiting list demand, other considerations include the estimated cost of bringing a property up to the council's lettable standard. To be eligible for the buyback scheme, properties must be former council houses or flats that are located within the Perth Kinross council area. Well, the buyback scheme was put in abeyance during the first national lockdown. The scheme reopened in November, which is when I started in the role of buyback surveyor. We made several purchases in November and December, but a return to lockdown in the new year meant a significant curtailment in surveying activity, with a corresponding reduction in the volume of purchases made in January through to April. Nevertheless, in the financial year ending the 31st of March 2021, we purchased 28 ex-council properties through the buyback scheme against a target of 24. These range from 1-bed flats to 4-bed houses in locations such as Perth, Scone, Auchterarder, Kinross and Bankfoot, and we received £35,000 from the Scottish Government in subsidy towards each one of these purchases. Our target for the financial year 2021 to 2022 is again 24 acquisitions through the buyback scheme, and we are already making good headway towards reaching this goal. Further information for anyone interested in selling their ex-council property back to Perth Kinross Council, including our contact details and an inquiry form, is available online at www.pkc.gov.uk/buyback scheme.